Hey and welcome. In this section we will design Alaram App. The idea of this app, someone opens the app and he clicks set, he sets specific time for alarm, like he want this alarm to run on 8:26, and he click OK, and he just click home, or he close the application. So when that time reaches, the application will give him notification. So how that thing work? You will learn how to work a broadcast receive to listen to broadcast event that happen in the system, like alarm. Also, you will learn about fragments and how you could use fragments to show something as a pop-up and select something from it, like what you said. And second, also you will learn about the shared reference is another way to save the data in the phone. Is really in a really easy and simple way. And also you will learn why this one is not secure. So all this information you will learn it. If you see here the notification coming, if I just show it, he say alarm time.